Good morning, students. Take down the next slide heading. When balance sheet at the date of dissolution is not given. So when they have not given us the balance sheet, how do we work out the problem? Take down illustration 18. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh are in a partnership sharing 3:3:4. They decided to dissolve the partnership firm. At the date of dissolution, their creditors is 16,000. And in the course of dissolution, contingent liability of 2,650 is not brought into accounts, matured and had to be met. The capital stood at 12,000, 10,000, 8,000. Vishnu had lent to the firm in additional to capital 14,000. The assets realized 40,150. Prepare the realization account and partners capital account. So they have not given us the balance sheet. So the first thing we need to do is prepare the balance sheet. We have liabilities, amount, assets and amount. So they have said that they are creditors of 16,000. So creditors 16,000. Contingent liability of 2,650 is not brought into account and matured. So this will not be written in balance sheet. Capitals have been given a partner and Vishnu had given a loan. So on the liability side we have Vishnu's loan of 14,000. Then they have given us capital accounts of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, 12,000, 10,000, 8,000. Okay, so we total the balance sheet. Our liability is 60,000, assets is 60,000. So we don't know in the asset what will be the balancing figure, but they have given us the assets are realized as 40,150. So balancing figure will be sundry assets in bracket balancing figure 60,000. So first step is prepare the balance sheet. After that we need to prepare the realization account. So particulars, amount, particulars and amount. We have debit side, credit side. First thing, write down all the assets. So to assets 60,000. All the liabilities by creditors 16,000. After that we need to realize the asset. So by cash account in bracket assets realized. How much is it? 40,150. Then we have to cash account in bracket liabilities realized. Under that we have creditors 16,000 and contingent liability 2,650. So we get 18,650. Anything else? No. Then we total the realization account 78,650, 78,650 by partners capital account in bracket loss transferred. We have Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. The balancing figure is 22,500 and the ratio is 3:3:4. So 6,750, 6,750 and 9,000. Next we prepare Vishnu's loan account. Again particulars, amount. By balance brought down 14,000 to cash account 14,000. Next we prepare partners capital account. Three partners Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. So first thing is bring down the balance. By balance brought down 12,000, 10,000, 8,000. Then we have loss on realization. So to realization account 6,750, 6,750 and 9,000. Anything else? Nothing has been given. Then we total the partners capital account. 12,000 or is Brahma is more. Then Vishnu we have 10,000 and in case of Mahesh 9,000 debit side is more. So to balance, so to cash account in bracket final payment 12,000 minus 6,750, 5,250, 10,000 minus 670, 3,250. On the credit side, by cash account in bracket cash brought in. 9,000 minus 8,000, we get 1,000. Last, we need to prepare the cash account. Particulars amount, particulars and amount. To realization account in bracket assets realized 40,150. By realization account in bracket liabilities paid off 18,650. Then we have by Vishnu's loan account 14,000. By Brahma's capital account 5,250. By Vishnu's capital account 3,250. To Mahesh capital account 1,000. We total the cash account 41,150, 41,150. Clear? So when balance sheet is not given in the problem, this is how we work out the sum. Take down illustration 20. A, B, who were sharing profit and loss in the ratio 60%, 40% respectively, dissolve the firm on 31st March. A's capital, B's capital, profit and loss, trade creditor, loan from Mrs. A, cash at bank is given. The other assets realized 1,90,000 and creditors were paid 5% discount. Realization expenses 4,000. So first we need to prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2015. Liabilities, amount, assets and amount. They have given us A's capital 2,40,000. They have given us B's capital, that is debit balance, so it will be written on the asset side 25,000. Next they have given us profit and loss account debit balance 30,000. Then we have trade creditors in the liability side 40,000. Then we have loan from Mrs. A 20,000. They have given us cash at bank 15,000. Anything else? No. So we total the balance sheet. The liability side total is 3 lakh. So the balancing figure will be sundry assets in bracket balancing figure 2,30,000. Next we need to prepare the realization account. So write down realization account, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So first realize all the assets. So to asset account 2,30,000 except profit and loss balance, capital balance and cash at bank. Then all the liabilities. So by creditors 40,000. By loan from Mrs. A 20,000. Next realize all the assets. So by bank account in bracket assets realized. So assets are realized at how much? 1,90,000. Then we have again two bank account. In bracket you should write liabilities realized. Under that we have trade creditors. Trade creditors are paid off as 5% less. So 40,000 minus 5% we get 38,000. Then we have loan from Mrs. A. That is also at 5% less. So 20,000 minus 5% we get 19,000. We get 57,000. Then we have realization expenses to bank account in bracket realization expenses 4,000. Next we total the realization account. It is 2,91,000. 2,91,000. So by partners capital account A and B, balancing figure is 41,000. So 41,000 into 60% A 24,600. 41,000 into 40% B 16,400. Next we need to prepare partners capital account. We have A, B, A and B. So the first step is bring down the balance. By balance brought down, A it is 2,40,000. To balance brought down, B it is 25,000. Next we have profit and loss account debit balance 18,000 and 12,000. Next we have realization loss. So to realization account 24,600, 16,400. Next step is total. The total of A 2,40,000 more on the credit side. So it is to bank account final payment 1,97,400. For B, the debit side total is more, that is 53,400. So by bank account in bracket cash brought in 53,400. Last you need to prepare the bank account. So to balance brought down 15,000. To realization account in bracket assets realized 1,90,000. Then by realization in bracket liabilities paid off 57,000. By realization in bracket expenses 4,000. By A's capital 1,97,400. To B's capital account 53,400. So what is the total? 2,58,400. 2,58,400. Clear? Next, take down illustration 27. Erica, Aditi, Tarini were partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2. Due to difference of opinion, they decided to dissolve the partnership firm. Plant and machinery costing 20,000 was taken by Erica, 16,000, and the remaining machinery realized at 9,000. Land and building 42,000. Investment taken over by Aditi 28,000. Sundry debtors include a bad debt of 1,000 and the amount realized is 10%. A creditor for 2,000 was untraceable and accepted payment at 10% discount. Erica was allowed to retain the whole of the stock at her remuneration for services rendered. So we need to prepare the account. First account we need to prepare is realization account. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So the first step in realization account is to all the assets. So we have two debtors 22,000, to stock 12,000, to plant and machinery 30,000, to land and building 45,000, to investment 35,000. Next step is to realize all the liabilities. By employees provident fund 8,000. Then we have by creditors 10,000. By investment fluctuating fund 4,000. Then we have by provision for doubtful debts 2,000. Next we have all the assets realized. So by bank account in bracket assets realized, we have machinery, it is only 9,000 because remaining has been taken by Erica. Then we have land and building 42,000. Then we have debtors. Debtors amount is how much? It is 22,000. But out of 22,000 they have said that we are giving a discount of 10%. So it is out of 22,000, 1,000 are doubtful debts. So 21,000. 21,000 minus 10%. We get 18,900. So total of assets realized is 69,900. Then we have liabilities paid off. So to bank account. In bracket you can write liabilities paid out. We have sundry creditors. Again it is at a discount of 10%. So 10,000 minus 2,000 is untraceable into 90%. You can either write into 90% or minus 10 by 100. It is the same thing. So we get 7,200. Then we have employment provident fund 8,000. We get 15,200. Then we have assets taken over by the partner. So Erica has taken plant and machinery. Erica's capital account in bracket plant and machinery taken over 16,000. Then we have by Aditi's capital account in bracket investment taken over 28,000. There is adjustment F which says that Erica was allowed to retain the whole of her stock as a remuneration for services rendered by her in the course of dissolution. So in this case, there will be no entry for stock taken over for Erica for remuneration because she is taking it as a remuneration. Clear? So we total the realization account. The balance is 1,59,200, 1,59,200. So by partners capital account, we have Erica, Aditi, Tarini, and what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 5:3:2. So balancing figure we get 21,300. So 21,300 into 5 by 10. We get 10,650, 6,390, 4,260. Next we prepare partners capital account. We have particulars Erica, Aditi, Tarini, Erica, Aditi and Tarini. Please draw the format and write the full forms everywhere. First step is to bring down the balance. So by balance brought down 60,000, 40,000, 30,000. This is the capital account. Then we have current account balance as well. So by current account 8,000, 10,000. Then on debit side again we have two current account. Tarini is 5,000. Then we have advertisement suspense account in the ratio 5:3:2. 1,200, 900, 600. Then we have two realization account bracket plant and machinery taken over by Erica 16,000. Again two realization account in bracket investment taken over by Aditi 28,000. Then we have loss on realization 10,650, 6,390, 4,260. In bracket you need to write loss on realization. Then we total, the credit side total is more, it is 68,000, 50,000, 30,000, 68,000, 50,000, 30,000. Two bank account in bracket final payment 39,850, 14,710, 20,140. Last we draw the bank account. First step to balance brought down 20,000. Then we have two realization account in bracket assets realized 69,900. On credit side again we have realization account in bracket liabilities paid 15,200. Then we have by Erica's capital account 39,850. By Aditi's capital account 14,710. By Tarini's capital account 20,140. So what is the total? 89,900. 89,900. After the problem, write down the note. There will be no entry for stock taken over by Erica for her remuneration. Clear? So we are done with this chapter. Tomorrow onwards we would be starting with the new chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.